The Earth's gravitational field varies considerably as the Earth has, it's not a perfect sphere, so this part is slightly wider than this part, which means these areas here are further away from the centre of the Earth's gravity, or the centre of mass of the Earth, so there's going to be lower value of G around the equator and a higher value of G at the poles. Other areas where the gravity can change is if parts of the Earth's crust are more dense. In other words, the centre of mass of the Earth is slightly towards those areas. So, for example, in Canberra there's a lot of granite, which is a very dense rock, so gravity is a little bit different in Canberra. So that might increase the value or the density of rock. Another one is altitude. So on a very, very high mountain, you're further away from the Earth's centre of mass, so gravity is going to be different. Remember, the formula that you're using to make these decisions and assumptions and inferences is our gravitational formula, where you're at the surface, so this value can change depending on how far the surface is from the centre of the Earth. That's one reason why a lot of rocket launches occur from the equator. There's slightly less gravity. The Earth is slightly wider than it is tall, so there's less gravity here. Also, the Earth's travelling and the rocket can be travelling with it, so as it takes off, it moves already in that motion. It doesn't have to overcome the Earth's motion in order to take off.